Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page. You can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is absolutely perfect if you have a lot of guests and you don't necessarily have a place to store a bed. And it is a Rollaway foldable bed. So this was sent over by a company called Espsilto, and it's going to come with these little simple instructions. To give you an idea, this is kind of like a twin size bed here. So to give you an idea of the size, it is about 75 inches long, about 46 inches wide, and about 17 inches off the ground. So it's better than an air mattress because you're not like right on the ground. And it's super, super comfortable when laying on it. One of the things that I notice when I lay on this is because it's got this memory foam mattress here, it feels really comfortable. And you also don't feel the crease where it folds. It rebounds very, very nicely. It has plenty of room. The mattress pad itself is about 5 inches thick, and it's on a nice steel frame. So one of those the aspect of the frame, it doesn't squeak or anything like that, which is another nice, great feature of it. When you're laying around, you don't have to deal with all the little squeaking and annoyances. But as far as when it's folded, it is about 46 inches wide when it's folded. It's about 14 inches long, I guess you could say. And then it's about 44 inches in height. It does have 360-degree rolling wheels on the bottom side that also do lock. So when it is all nice and set up, it's not going to move around on you. And then when you roll it into a place, you can lock those wheels so that way it doesn't continue to roll, but it's easy to fold away and tuck away in a corner. Now, the bed itself does support up to a maximum of 450 pounds. And like I said, because of that steel frame, the way they have it positioned, you don't have to worry about any sagging or that squeaking, which I absolutely love. Now, on the bottom part, it does have little latches, little triangle angles. Just go ahead and latch those once you unfold it. And then the legs also have these like rubber non-slip feet, which also help protect the surface that you are putting the bed on. But overall, like I said, if you are looking for a really, really comfortable, kind of portable bed that is perfect for guests when they arrive, to where they're off the ground and they're gonna sleep great on it, I think this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something that I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.